light and solid build the camera is, then you put your eye up. Wow, OVF with overlaid HUD is fantastic. A histogram right there for you to see. The images out of the camera very good. This really is camera that make you better photographer, since it gets you to move around since you on fixed focal lens. It really make think more about the shot and give you the tool make it happen. This camera I have with me always, it is a solid photographer tool. Also I love having access to manual setup of aperture and shutter speed so quickly before I go into a shot. Now if you looking to do lot of video work with camera of this class, one would look at the A6000 or Alpha 7. This has limited video capabilities. When you get the camera, pick up some STK FNP95 batteries, they inexpensive and work well. Also recommend lens mate, thumb grip and soft release button, EZ photo metal hood, and B+ W49mm UV filter. One thing, put the filter after the EZ photo ring, then put on lens hood when you need. Without hood the normal lens cover still works to cover the filter and lens.